Hi, I'm Phuong. Welcome to Federation University's Gippsland campus.
And I'm Scott. We're here in the heart of Gippsland, surrounded by nature and just a couple of hours from Melbourne.
It's peaceful here, but there's always something happening. You'll find friendly people everywhere and plenty of space to learn and relax.
Classes are small, and we get real hands-on experience in our labs and classrooms. Our teachers know us by name and are always here to help.
The library is bright and quiet, perfect for studying and working with friends.
And when you need a break, you can grab a coffee, take a walk, or just enjoy the fresh air.
Living on campus makes life easy. It's safe, affordable, and a great way to meet people from all over the world.
Here at Gippsland, you'll find space to grow, learn, and belong.
Study at Federation University, where you'll feel supported, connected, and ready for what's next.